So in the morning, so this is a song I wrote for Norah Jones. It's in drop D tuning, capo 3, that puts us in F. And I start with this D, but I finger it with 2 and 3. I don't need the high E at all. And I finger it this way because the second chord goes down. So it's if you started in traditional D, you'd have to change right away. And if you start here, it's just a quicker change. That's the main pattern. And then when it goes to the G7 or B flat 7, so that's kind of a stretch, but that's what that chord is. Baby in the afternoon. I'll probably get flagged by YouTube for copyright violation, even though I wrote this song. And then A minor 7, B flat 6, A minor 7, and back to D. So A minor 7, B flat 6, no bar, A minor 7. Okay, so that's in the morning.